Good morning guys, Corey here from TAC Toys. Welcome. This is going to be our first vlog here. I've just arrived to the TAC Toys HQ. What we're doing today is actually heading down to Wacol. The Milsim East End The Village event is on tonight, their grand opening. So we're going to head down there with some of the TAC Toys team. We're going to have a lot of fun down there. But what I'm going to do is walk you through the entire process, how to get ready for an event, what you need to take, and then also we're going to be filming the event so you get the hands-on experience. Let's get going. Alright, I've come down to the mods room and this is where we're collecting all of the stuff together. So we've got some of the gel blasters in this bag, got some webbing in there, a lot of magazines, got a Kublai, another 2 in here, it looks like a HK right there. Another, I'd probably say 3 rifles in this one. Backpack full of goodies, magazines, speed loaders, someone's plate carrier as well. That's going to be my Vector tonight. Some gloves, a Glock as well. This is about 50% of the kit. There's a lot more of this coming. Before you get dressed, before anything, probably the day before, you should actually prepare the gel balls or your ammo. So right here we've got, in this one, we've got 10,000 Milkies. And this one we've got a bit of a mixture. We've got 5,000 glow-in-the-dark gel balls and then 5,000 Milkies as well, to create a bit of a tracer unit system. So you're going to see that on the videos as well. We've actually just had Travis from Milsim East in the Village come into the store to grab a couple supplies, and he's let us know that they've had about 3 massive truckloads of extra stuff already on top of what they had. So the field's going to be amazing. They said they've done a lot of work throughout the week and this is the grand opening, so it's going to be a good one. We're extremely excited and we're sure he is too. Charge your batteries, more charging, more batteries. Alright, so we've just built this blaster. Tony the Absolute Beast built Adam's blaster, and this is going to be down at Wacol tonight, so it's going to inflict some serious pain. This thing is literally crazy. It's a full custom internal build. Has taken us quite a while to build, and also the custom drum magazine, which is holding a serious amount of gel balls. You won't need to reload for multiple games. So check out this blaster. Alright, we're just getting kitted up. I've got the vest on, about to load it out, grab everything that I need. We had a question today, someone called up asking what they need for the events. Mostly I would say t-shirt and long pants at a minimum, and you also need to have your safety glasses, make sure that they are the correct ones. You won't be allowed to play if you use the safety glasses that come in the box with the blaster. So make sure that you do have appropriate safety glasses, you're lucky that's accurate. Go. Oh, right on my cheek. Hey, Jezza. Don't hit my head. Make sure you have your correct glasses, otherwise, well, you never know when someone's going to shoot you. So. Alright, we're down here at Wacol. Everyone's just getting ready. There's about 15 of us all together. Everyone's already been playing on the field because we're a little bit late because we have to finish work, but we're about to get into it. So we'll grab all the kit, we'll show you what we're using, and then we'll go. Alright, so some news. We forgot the main GoPro, so most of the footage, the good footage we were going to get, unfortunately going to have to wait till next time. A bit of a spoiler, but oh well. And I'm just filling up the mags. We've got some glow mags, some glow gel balls, sorry. And I've actually got a tracer unit on the end of the Vector that I'm going to be using. So just filling those up now, using my speed loader of course. And yeah, I'll give you an update of everyone's stuff very soon. Here's what I'm going to be using. This one's the Vector, Chris Vector V2. I've got the tracer unit just here on the front, so I'll give you a bit of a preview. I can't shoot down there because you don't know who's down there, but all the glow gel balls should be pretty cool. Make sure when you come down, you've always got to sign your waiver, so make sure that you do sign.
Anthony, Kublai, Tyson, Kublai,
Brennan, AK Special,
Mitch, Org,
Keisha, Jen 8,
Brent, I got the Kublai,
Alex, Vector,
Roxy, Kublai.
Calm before the storm.
Children are fighting.
Yes, always. Alright, we're about to go on field. They're going to go over a couple rules. Everyone's going to get prepared, and then they're going to split the teams, one at one end, one at the other end, and then we're going to fight.
Yeah, let's move up, do the smoke. YOLO. I think I actually hit someone. That was impressive. Whoa, whoa! In the head! You gotta go back. Whoa! Yeah, he's right in front of us. Well, let's push it, let's push it. Ow, hit! Oh, shit! Is this respawn? Ah, that's bright! Holy moly. up, push up, push up. Push up, push up. Does that game win?
Yeah, I got the guy right behind him.
Oh, good shit.
All right, we're all done here. Had a lot of fun. We're not going to give away the Steyr today. We're actually going to give it away on the weekend. I won't be here, unfortunately. I've got a few things to do, but there'll be a few guys here. If you're coming on the weekend, enjoy. Hopefully you did win the Steyr. If not, just want to say thank you to Travis anyway for running the event, Wounded Heroes as well. We've had a lot of fun, and if you see any of the Tac Toys team, just remember to say hi. This is Corey from Tac Toys. Happy blasting.
Oh, hit.
You suck! Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Come on.
Let's go, lads. Woo!
Bruh. No, yeah, we're all dead. And they're too far forward, so I can't play. Hey! Alright, everyone, go and grab some more gels. Holy. Got a fist bump at the front of that one too.
That's too gangster.